like it's a little familiar.
It does, huh?
Oregon motorcycle?
That's right. Nice to meet you. Hello, all my fellow motorcyclists and all my soon-to-be motorcyclists, fellow motorcyclists, friends, family, or just people that watch my videos because they're interested. I hope your day is going good. My day is going good. We are right in the middle of a beautiful Monday afternoon right here in Portland, Oregon. Awesome weather. It's like 90 degrees today, I think, maybe 92, something like that. I'm gonna talk to you guys about a couple of things, ask you guys a couple of questions today, maybe ask for your opinions too, because we all love everybody's opinions, don't we? Oh boy, oh boy. Opinions, yeah. So yeah, today, you guys, I want to talk to you about the motorcycle wave. I want to try to get some. I want to get some a larger insight of everybody's general opinion or general idea of it. And I've been scratching my head on this one for about the last week, and I was like, well, you know, I have a YouTube channel. I could ask my audience, I guess, and see what they think about it. Anyways, guys, if this is your first time tuning in, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, because I have a goal set for 2020, and that's to get to 6,000 subscribers by the end of 2020, which will be December 31st this year. I hope to be at 6,000 subscribers. I think I can do it, but I need all your guys' help. I need your help in hitting that thumbs up and sharing my videos, exposing my content to new viewers and potential subscribers and all that good stuff, guys. It really, you know, helps me out, and I really want to go forward with this channel. I want to try to make something of it, and I'm going to do my hardest this year in 2020 and see, you know, where I stand at the end of the year. So I've got a lot of great things coming. I've got videos right now I'm working on from Saturday and Sunday. Sunday, you guys, I'm gonna tell you right now, Sunday was absolutely crazy. And this morning when I woke up, I hopped on this bike, and I couldn't, like, I was having a hard time comprehending what I accomplished on this bike on Sunday. And for those of you that follow my Instagram, you guys probably have a good idea of what that was. So if you guys are not following my Instagram, go over there and check that out. I sometimes, or most of the time, post stuff over there first before it makes it onto YouTube, so some of you guys will have an idea of what's coming down the pipe. And then Saturday, went back up to Lottie Flats and went all the way over and crossed that bridge that I helped build a couple weeks back. And I rode the bridge. That was pretty exciting, to say the least. But yeah, I went with a buddy of mine, old buddy of mine, that just picked up what was it, the Suzuki V-Strom 650, and he did really well. Really capable bike. So yeah, so guys, you know, I'm working on those videos. They'll be coming out sometime this week, hopefully, and you guys are definitely going to enjoy those. I know for a fact you guys are, so stay tuned for those. Alright, get out this freeway, get the wind noise down a little bit for you guys. One other thing I'm working on real quick while I got you guys' attention here, something I'm really excited about, and I think a lot of you guys that are in this local area are going to be excited about. I got something in the works right now where I might be doing my own ride, doing my own weekly ride, so yeah, I'm still kind of working out the details, but yeah, it looks like it might happen, and if I do, I'll make an announcement for you guys. I know there's a lot of people asking to ride with me all the time, and a lot of you guys are I don't know about a lot, but you know, some of you may not be at the level of riding that you want to be at. So I'm thinking about doing like a beginner friendly weekly ride to where I welcome all skill sets and mainly focused on beginners, and have a really mellow, easy ride where you could put yourself in that group riding atmosphere, but at a mellow pace. So like I said, it's something I'm working on here, and so yeah, we'll see. Like I said, we'll talk more about that later, but just to give you guys a heads up. So anyways, guys, let's talk about the wave. So yeah, and I said I've been thinking a lot about it lately, or it's been running through my head lately, you know, and you guys know I get comments all the time just about weird stuff and things like that. And you know, I'm under this, it's my text messages going on. So I'm under this impression, and I know a lot of you guys are too, like motorcyclists, we're like a brotherhood, right? You know, we're here to help each other. If I ever see a motorcyclist on the side of the road, I'm stopping. I don't care. I don't care, you know, if, you know, I don't care if he's on a Harley or what. We're gonna bring that up too, because there's this Harley versus plastic bike thing or whatever. So I kind of feel like, you know, we all look out for each other, and you know, according to my knowledge, the wave is a form of acknowledgement. It's telling the other rider that you see him and you're acknowledging him. And I think some of that has faded away, and I think a lot of it has to do with this newer or younger generation crop of Harley Davidson riders, because that's mainly where I'm seeing this, where they don't acknowledge you. And it's okay. It's brought me to that point, you guys. It's so bad over the last month. I don't know what it is. You guys not like my ugly red bike or what? No, I mean, like, this last week, you guys, this may sound bad, but I'm sorry. Talk to me and tell me what I should do. I've stopped waving at other bikers. Like, completely. I've just stopped. Now, if I see them coming at me and I see them making an effort to wave at me, I'm gonna wave back. Yes, I am. But since I've stopped waving, I've noticed so many bikers just blare past me and like not even acknowledge that I'm there. And I'm sitting here scratching my head thinking to myself, like what the hell? So like, I remember I got this comment not too long ago, and I think he was from, say, the UK, somewhere over there in Europe or something like that. And it was kind of quite the funny comment, because I could tell just by the way this guy was wording his words that he rode a Harley, and he never said the word Harley. But he comes off and he goes, you know, I don't know you, or you don't know me, and we're not brothers, and I don't have to look out for you. Basically, he was kind of saying those words like that, and then he said something about the plastic bike, or something, but to the extent of I don't wave at bikers with plastic on their bikes or something like that. I was like, all right, bro, just out of curiosity, what are you riding? He came back with something like, oh, I ride the 750cc Harley, and I'm like, oh my god, I mean, come on, dude. Like, do you know the history of that bike? Or anyways, guys, I'm not here to like trash Harley riders. I hope that some people viewing this are Harley riders and can kind of shed some light on it for me. For me personally, like, I'm a motorcycle lover. I love all motorcycles. I even like scooters. If I had money, I'd have Harleys, I'd have scooters, I'd have adventure bikes, you know, I'd have Ducatis, and I'd have them all, you guys, because I love all motorcycles. And I really think that it's cool to meet other riders. I don't care what you ride, because we automatically share a passion for something, which is riding, you know, and it's fun. And we all don't get along, especially up here in the Pacific Northwest. A lot of you guys hate on me because I lane split. That's the most craziest thing I've seen. But you know, different areas, different regions have different styles, I guess you could say, right? I always like to keep learning, and this one's kind of, like I said, it's got me scratching my head, wondering. Just kind of interesting. I used to own a Jeep Wrangler. Some of you guys know that. I've mentioned it in some of my other videos. And there's a Jeep Wave. And I remember when I was a kid, my mom had a Corvette, and there's a Corvette Wave too. And so it's all kind of like you're in this little club, right? But maybe, okay, so let me ask you this question, you guys. This is what I'm really curious about. And be honest, for you Harley riders, okay, that don't wave at people on foreign bikes, do you guys wave to other Harley riders? I'm just curious about that. That would be an interesting question to get answered. Inquiring minds want to know. I got to get home. I got to work on videos. I got so much footage to edit, and go to that stuff, and oh, I got to do chain maintenance, because my chain, I don't know if you guys can hear it, it's squeaking and knocking on me again. I've switched chain lubes. I'm trying out the Mo tool, and I think it might be a little better, a little bit. It's not 100% what I was looking for, but I think it is better. It's a better product than the chain wax. So if you guys got a killer chain lube that's good for on-road and off-road use, post that down in the comments for me, because well, I'm having issues right now. After I go off-roading, like I might do 50 miles of off-road or whatever, I get back on the highway or start going around town, my chain knocks, because it's all, you know, it's all gunked up and stuff with dirt and everything else. And I think I got a length in there that's getting a little stiff. So I don't know, I almost got 13,000 miles on this chain. I'm trying to get a little more life of it out. So, or a little more life out of it. All right, guys, I guess that's gonna wrap up this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it got you thinking about stuff. And I would love to hear you guys' comments down below and what you guys think about this whole thing. And I know a lot of my viewers, I think like 30% of my viewers, you guys are from overseas. So like in Australia, in the UK, do you guys wave over there to other bikes? Is it like a culture that you guys have, or is it, what's it like? Let me know. Until next time, folks, Oregon Motorcycle.
Was a psychedelic mess. We toured to the north, south, east, and west.
How's it going? Good.
That bike looks a little familiar.
It does, huh?
Oregon Motorcycle?
That's right.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
How you doing?
Good, good. I just seen you. Is this your wife or something practicing? Yeah, cool deal. So she gets, so she'll get the experience of working the clutch and stopping at the same time.
Yeah.
So really good practice, whatever. But yeah, man, nice meeting you. If you have any questions, hit me up on YouTube. And I've got a video too of the motorcycle testing that she'll be doing.
Oh, cool.
So yeah, watch that. You'll know exactly what you're going to be tested on. So cool, man. Yeah.